What's up everybody, and welcome back to The Golden Life. In today's video, I am bringing you the final episode of this garage makeover / transformation. If you've been with me from the beginning, thank you guys so much. I truly appreciate you. And without further ado, let's jump right into today's video. Finish filling out the drawers and cabinets, I'm gonna go ahead and throw some laundry in because I'm trying to kill two birds with one stone, and then I will kind of explain where everything else is going. Alright you guys, so the cabinet on the far left, that is everything that you deal with outside for entertainment reasons or even just activities. So all of that stuff is going to be on the far left. The cabinet in the middle, it's going to hold all of the tools and a few of the other miscellaneous things that were just kind of like one-offs of certain things. So, you know, I think she had like a pedicure bowl or something like with a massager. So that kind of stuff kind of went in the middle cabinet. And then everything on the far right, that is all of their suitcases because they do travel often. Well, not anymore with COVID, but they have been traveling years before, and hopefully when all this is over, we can all start traveling again. And so that is why all of the suitcases are on the right side. So this water hose was about to be the death of me because, girl, I could not get it to like wind correctly and neatly. I was like really frustrated. I put it down, I picked it up. I was like, Mom, when she got back to the house, I was like, can you help me fold this thing because it can't go in here like this. It looks bad. It looks really bad. But I think by the end of it, we were just kind of like, you know what, let's just toss it because we have one in the back and we have one in the front yard. So there's no point in having another one. And I think this one even had a hole in it. So this was another thing that we did declutter.
both to my best life, yeah. You both to my best life, yeah. Something you and me, oh. You both to my best life, yeah. Jumping, flexing, no, no. I just want you to know. Something you and me, oh.
For those of you who are new to my channel, my name is Ryan. I'm a wife and I'm a stay-at-home mom. I love making content surrounding cleaning, organization, decorating, and non-toxic lifestyle. Now, when I started my channel, I did come out with a few tips, and every now and again, I do share a lot of tips and tricks with you guys just because I believe that health is really wealth, and I feel like when you do not take care of yourself, how can you expect to take care of your family, expect to take care of your home when you're just naturally not taking care of yourself? So that is kind of what I advocate, and I really want to continue to share that with you guys. If you like that type of content, please consider subscribing and make sure you turn on that bell button so you guys don't miss out on any of my future uploads.
I just want you to know. Something you and me, oh. You both to my best life, yeah. You both to my best life, yeah. You both to my best life, yeah. Something you and me, oh. You both to my best life, yeah. You both to my best life, yeah. You both to my best life, yeah. Something you and me, oh. You both to my best life, yeah.
Instagram and I asked you guys if you wanted a full-on garage tour or if you guys just wanted me to put the tour in the final video of today's video. And you guys voted and you guys said yes, we want a full-on garage tour. So you guys are gonna have to wait a little bit longer because we are not done. There's one more important piece that we are missing But I did want to get this video out for you guys. I know it's already behind, but I really appreciate each and every one of you for following me and keeping up with this series. And that pretty much wraps up today's video. Thank you guys so much for watching, and until next time, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe, and I will see you guys soon. Bye.